Peach Patch, I really need y'all to go get y'all master, because this video is just for her. Actually, the video is for her and the baby's mama.
And stop posting me and my baby and my information on the internet. I do not give you consent on posting me and my family. Leave us alone. I do not give you consent on posting me and my baby.
I want to go over cyberbullying, because obviously Peach feels as though she is untouchable. But y'all heard her say, please do not post pictures of me, my daughter, or my grandson. She asked nicely. And a lot of the Peach Patch is like, oh, they're loving this going back and forth. But what Peach don't understand is that she gonna get herself in a world of trouble messing with this girl. So let's go over cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is using technology to harass, threaten, or humiliate someone, which includes sending hurtful messages, spreading rumors, posting embarrassing videos or photos, and it also can feel relentless at times, as she calls herself Relentless Peach. Yeah, she's being relentless on this issue. In Florida, cyberbullying is a serious offense. It can lead to felony charges, and you can end up with 5 years in prison or a $5,000 fine. And so if you feel as though you're being cyberbullied, Woods baby mama, you need to preserve the evidence, take screenshots of all the messages, the posts, images, organize them clearly for law enforcement. Also, do not retaliate. Do not cyberbully back. So in this case, her daughter can actually go after Peach. The most common forms of cyberbullying: harassment, sending repeated, abusive, threatening, or mean messages, posts, or emails. Doxing, sharing someone's personal or private information without their consent to embarrass or humiliate them. Denigration, spreading rumors, lies, or posting hurtful comments about someone. Also, trolling, which is posting menacing or upsetting messages to provoke a response. Cyber stalking, that's when you repeatedly harass or threaten someone through social media. So if you notice in that video, she specifically said, I do not give you consent. We are in the state of Florida. Me and Peach are. Posting pictures of someone without their consent can lead to legal issues related to invasion of privacy, defamation, and violation of the right of publicity. A person who posts photos of someone without consent could face civil lawsuits. The victim can sue for damages, including emotional distress, lost profits, and attorney fees. A court can order the immediate removal of the images and prohibit further sharing. So how Peaches keeps putting that girl's picture, inserting it into all her videos, yeah, she needs to take that down. Also, in cases of non-consensual explicit imagery, harassment, stalking, or child exploitation, criminal charges may apply. Another thing, social media platforms have terms of services that typically prohibit posting images without consent, and they may remove the content and restrict the user's account if a complaint is filed. Recommendations: ask before posting. The best practice is always to get explicit permission before posting a picture of someone. So, Karisha, if you are a victim or you feel as though you are a victim, you can send a cease and desist letter, report the content to the platform, and you can also consult an attorney. A content creator posting pictures of people without their consent can face legal action based on invasion of privacy, violation of the right of publicity, or defamation, depending on the context in the jurisdiction. And so if your photos were posted without consent, Karisha, what you want to do is save copies or take screenshots of the unauthorized post. Make sure you capture the URL and any accompanying captions or comments. This serves as evidence. You can also contact the content creator, which is Peach, and ask her nicely to take it down, but we all know how that's going to go, right? And you can also report it to the platform. So while Peach is on this internet calling Karisha's daughter a mistake, knowing that she's 23 years old and she can get on this internet and see it for herself, she can read the comments. And you don't know what you're doing to her mentally because you don't know, because you have no type of relationship with her. So she can't even communicate it. But the fact that she called her dad, it definitely bothered her.